These are disturbing cases where cops took things way too far. And it begins with one policeman whose badge didn't stop him from going full rogue.
Both fire officials and police officers from the Normal Police Department responded to the incident, and, at the officer's request, Ms. Brown agreed to be transported to the Normal Police Station for questioning. However, after waiting more than 40 minutes at the police station without being interviewed, Ms. Brown requested that she be taken home.
A routine fire response took a strange turn in Normal, Illinois, on February 8, 2023. A student's apartment caught fire, and emergency teams arrived as expected. But then, the police asked Taylor Brown, the tenant, to come to the station for questioning. She complied. However, after waiting 40 minutes without explanation, she asked to be taken home. What happened next was disturbing.
Time me for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire is going to be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're going to seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire is under investigation.
I need to know what my
So you can hand me the phone, or I can take the phone.
But I need to know what my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's being.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone?
So the fire is going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized.
While Taylor was on the phone, a police officer suddenly approached and demanded that she hand over the phone. Alarmed, she began telling the person on the line that her phone was about to be taken, even though she hadn't been arrested. The officer continued pressing her to hang up, insisting the phone had to be seized. No clear explanation was given, except that the fire was still under investigation.
You can go do the interview, but your phone's going to currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here?
Nope, we're not going to do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm going to take the phone. That's how this is going to work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
she said hang up the phone and they're going to take the phone, because at this point I'm being threatened.
It's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my phone is being taken.
So the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me. So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to interrupt you, and I've been this calm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take it.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you a reason. I'm not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but...
Do you want to give an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized, because she said she could take me home, but without my phone. That doesn't make sense. It sounds like...
So are you going to...
The officer offered no explanation. He told Taylor the phone would be taken if she didn't hand it over. But the Fourth Amendment protects against exactly this kind of seizure without a warrant. So, why was she being treated like a suspect?
Do not kick. Okay, push your legs out. Stop. Relax. Relax.
Mom, I'm not letting go. I promise.
Relax.
Mom, I'm not letting
Relax.
go.
We just want your phone. That's it.
We just want your phone.
They're trying to give me with no protection.
Taylor, no.
Stop it. Mom, they got me.
Stop kicking.
Stop kicking.
Mom, they trying to get me.
Hey, Taylor, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Taylor.
Yeah, Mom.
Turn her to
That way.
This way toward me.
Mom.
give me.
Roll.
Give. Give me your hand, Taylor.
Which way we roll?
Give me your hand.
Ow.
I almost.
I'm going to keep doing the pressure point until you let go. Let go.
Got this hand.
Release your hand.
Release your other hand. Release your other hand, Taylor.
I got her elbow out. Right here. I got her wrist.
Got this. Who has cuffs? Cuffs.
Okay, you can let go.
Watch out, Montgomery. Relax.
I got it right.
Oh my God, y'all put me in cuffs now. No, I'm not under arrest.
Relax your arm, Taylor.
You are under arrest.
You're under arrest. Relax your arm.
Release the
I'm
hand.
under arrest for what?
Do you know how to second there?
No.
Oh my God, I'm filing the case as soon as I get off this floor.
Let me move this.
You all have no right. I came down here willingly because you're a black woman.
Get up.
So,
Okay.
Hold on.
I want you to think about how you're doing another black woman.
Okay.
When you go to
Relax. Relax.
You just put me in handcuffs and I came down here willingly.
Do you need to hear a double lock?
Hold on. Let me
I
tighten them
came
up.
down here willingly.
Stay down.
Nope,
Stay
relax.
Down. Stay down.
Get me off the floor!
Relax.
Stay down.
Why am I on the floor?
All right, Taylor. Okay, we're gonna roll this
Why
way. Ready?
are you pinning
Nope.
me on the floor?
We're gonna get you up. Relax. Relax.
Pin me up like a fucking human.
We're going left. We're going my way. Roll my way.
We're going your
Roll
way.
my way. All right, stand up. Go to your knees, Taylor.
Rather than de-escalating, the officers chose to use force. They pushed Taylor to the ground and tried to pry the phone from her hands. She was handcuffed and told she was being charged with assault and aggravated battery, charges that carry serious weight.
You told me I was coming here for an interview. I came here under false pretenses. That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no? You want to go?
Let's go. Let's go to the cage, jail, wherever we're going. I need to make a call. I get 1 call. I know that much.
Okay, I'm parking this way. Okay.
I get 1 call. I know that much.
Have 2 people going.
Do you want to go with him? Do you have something or no?
I just forgot that.
Charges for this.
No. You're resisting aggravated battery.
I resisted because you gave me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason. So that you have a case for. And it wasn't aggravated assault. It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's way. And that's the situation that you put me in because I thought I was coming for an interview. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone.
No. I patted her down. I'll search her right now. Right here.
Why would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You did lie to me.
I did not lie to you.
Times. You told me he was here when we got here. You told me I was doing an interview and you would take me home. Why are you treating me like I'm a criminal? There was a fire at my house.
Correct, and that's what you were here for the interview. You said,
yes.
So stop yelling, okay? I'm going to talk to you. You said you were here for an interview.
Right.
Our detectives come in from Bloomington. I don't know how long it takes them to get here. I
wasn't mad at you. I told you that.
I know that. You said you no longer want to do that interview, right?
No, because I'm tired. I said I won't be of much help right now.
Correct. So that's why you went to the lobby. I was going to take you home.
Right.
At that point, the officer wanted your phone seized.
You didn't say that. You said he wanted my phone confiscated. You didn't give me that specific reason, ma'am.
Because you were yelling at me for about 5 minutes. So
because I wasn't understanding, and I'm asking you the same question. I asked you the same question multiple times, and you did not answer me.
Put your knees in.
You didn't answer me 1 time. That doesn't matter to you when I'm sitting here talking to you.
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
You weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just
yelling. You were just telling me, and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to you?
I'm gonna have 4 minutes.
Taylor spent the night in the county jail, only to be released the next afternoon without any charges. Despite this, her phone wasn't returned until hours later. On February 23rd, she filed a lawsuit against the officers responsible for the incident. Her case is still ongoing. If there's any justice, these cops will face the consequences, just like the ones who were fined in a different case. In early 2021, Curtis Trailer Harris was among several Smith County deputies sent to perform what should have been a standard eviction.
Hold on, don't come down here.
Instead of just removing the tenant's belongings, 3 officers helped themselves to a few of the items.
Put them in my shirt. Hold on. Hey, Gamble. Hold on. Give me a minute. Hold on.
Oh, we got some cocaine.
Oh.
Yeah, everything here. Took.
This can go in here. We set that box right. Yeah. We set that on that dresser.
What's this?
A box. Hold on.
During what should have been a professional eviction, the trio of Trailer Harris, Holman and Banks moved like looters, carefully selecting what they wanted, with Banks stashing hers inside her shirt.
Oh, you got it. What was it? Out last night. I beg her. Sure would hate to sanitize it. Oakley glasses.
Unknowingly, Banks had turned on her body cam, recording every moment of the theft in crystal clear detail. They took everything from designer sunglasses to ammunition. Inside a safe, they found and stole priceless possessions, including military medals, old coins, a quarter collection, a diploma, identity documents, and more than $750 in cash.
Ray-Bans. Okay. Hold up. What's in here? Hold on, let me put this right there. How I... Hold on. Ray-Bans. Clean it out. Yeah. Let me check the bottom.
In November 2021, the officers' actions finally caught up with them. All three were arrested and charged with abuse of office, theft by a public servant, and official oppression. Traylor Harris denied it all in court, saying he saw nothing and knew nothing.
About anything, so you never see me pick up anything or conceal anything or hide anything on my person. Green light was on, so I mean, I really didn't have any concern after. I didn't see her put anything in her shirt.
Officer Banks admitted her role, but claimed Constable Traylor Harris pressured her into it. He was later convicted, and before the sentence was read, Traylor Harris offered an apology to the family, whose trust he had betrayed.
Her red light and her green light was on, so I mean.
Although he initially denied any wrongdoing, Traylor Harris finally admitted that he had lied in court and that he'd seen Banks stealing.
From his position,
there's been one thing after another when they're trying to find me doing something.
He dodged prison, but not the consequences. In December 2022, Traylor Harris received 5 years probation and a $10,000 fine. But this next officer won't be that lucky.
Alpha 3, give me a unit up here. Immediately.
Who's going up here in the area that says Alpha 3, code 3, I'm straight in the air.
Alpha 3, give me a pull over! Pull in the parking lot! Pull in the parking lot! We're in this parking lot right now!
I'm so sorry.
Pull over!
Oh my gosh, please don't yell at me, sir.
Pull over now!
Oh my goodness, is there someone else with you?
No, pull over, goddammit! I'm not repeating myself!
Hold on,
Get out of the roadway and pull over.
On December 13, 2022, Officer James Hinkle was working a traffic post in Waterbury when a vehicle passed by without stopping at his signal. According to both body cam and dash cam footage, he chased after the car, pulled it over, and then immediately started yelling, demanding the driver to get off the road and into a parking lot.
Did you not see this bright yellow vest standing in the middle of the street?
No, I did. I thought you were leaving.
No,
before.
this means stop. This means stop.
I didn't see that until I was already past.
And then you still drove by me.
I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't.
License and registration now.
Hold on. Sorry. Give me a second, okay?
No, license and registration now.
Okay.
You almost ran over an officer standing in the middle of the street.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
The driver was shaken. With Officer Hinkle yelling non-stop, she tried to explain that she hadn't seen him in time and wasn't sure what was happening. Her confusion made sense. The footage showed that Hinkle didn't follow basic traffic signaling rules. His hand was at waist level, palm down in a claw-like shape, far from the clear overhead stop motion required. Worse still, he barely looked at the driver, just a glance, and then confrontation.
Sir,
You're lucky you're not in handcuffs right this second.
I'm very sorry, sir. I really.
Explain to my kids why they don't have a dad a week before Christmas, because you're trying to run somebody over.
Sir, I promise.
You see the bright lights flashing in the middle of the street? That means use caution. There's a cop out there. I got kids at home, and you almost ran me over a week before Christmas.
Sir, when I see flashing yellow light.
It's not flashing. It's red and blue. That's a cop car standing in the middle of the street flashing lights.
I promise I was not.
No, it's not an accident. You're just being irresponsible. Street. And then waves at me and still tries to drive by me. Run her, please, and make sure she's valid. What is it, 8? I can't believe you. A week before Christmas, I almost get ran over. All right? Yeah. I got 2 kids at home waiting for me to come home tonight.
Sir, I'm very sorry. I thought.
Sorry doesn't break it. You looked right at me and still decided to drive by me. No, you weren't. I was in the middle of the intersection. Yes,
The interaction only grew more intense. Bodycam footage recorded Hinkle repeatedly yelling, telling the driver she was lucky she wasn't already in handcuffs. When another officer arrived, he ordered a reckless driving citation to be written, and just before letting her go, he erupted again with more shouting.
They're dropped. This incident sparked an internal affairs investigation into Officer Hinkle's conduct, and he was immediately placed on paid administrative leave. On January 9th, 2023, Officer Hinkle was terminated from the Waterbury Police Department after the investigation determined that his conduct, actions, and behaviors were in violation of department.
Following the incident, Officer Hinkle was placed on paid administrative leave. After reviewing the footage and his behavior, the department terminated him on January 9th, 2023, stating his actions breached departmental policy and professional expectations.